Internal linking and backlinks. How to get more traffic to your website, part 3. Hi guys, I'm Nat Ryan with Internet Marketing DIY. Google absolutely loves internal links because they help their website crawlers understand the content of your web pages and how they relate to each other. When they understand that, they get a better idea of how beneficial your website is going to be to human visitors. Plus, internal linking actually helps your human visitors, and Google knows that, so they reward you with a higher ranking. There's no set number of internal linking you should be aiming for, but your website content should link up together like the threads of a spider web. In saying that, though, don't tie yourself in knots over it. You can get started easily by adding a link from your homepage of your site to each of your service pages, or from one blog post to another one on a related topic. Don't overthink it, but take a little tour of your own website, read through your content, and you're bound to find some places where you can add a link to another page of your site. Let's go take a look at a website and the internal linking that they have on it. Okay guys, well, I chose to just show you on my company website. I just didn't want to pick on anybody's website and start picking it apart. So let's pick apart mine instead. So we're on the home page of my agency website, and let's scroll down a little bit, and we're looking for some internal linking here. So obviously, when I'm talking about the different services that we provide, that my company provides, website design, search engine optimization, and so on, these pictures are clickable, but so are these. Okay, so if we click on that, we go to the search engine optimization page, which looks the same at the top, but here it is, search engine optimization. So, and then we come down here, come down that page. And if you do that, you've got a link here to one of my blog posts for Content is King. So if you were to click on that, it brings you to the blog, which is the Content is King blog post. And that's really how you do it, guys. I mean, you just find opportunities where you can naturally put in a link to another part on your website, and back and forth, and you just make it as robust as you can. A backlink is a clickable link from one website to another. But more than that, a backlink acts as a vote for your website and its content. In essence, it says that the linking site acknowledges your legitimacy as a website that should be taken seriously. With enough backlinks, you're not only acknowledged as legitimate, but also a website that has the credentials and is even an authority in your niche. Backlinks are super important for any website that wants to rank highly with Google and the other search engines. So it's not surprising that backlinks form one of the major ways that SEO professionals work to gain high ranking for their website projects. Now, I could talk backlinks all day long and still have a ton more to say on the subject, and the topic of backlinks does have a lot of moving parts to it. It's not hard, but there is a lot to learn. Too much to go into in this video. But I have a 3-part series of short videos all about backlinks. Please go to my channel, Internet Marketing DIY, and look for these videos in the Backlinks Explained series. What are the best backlinks? The best source for do-follow backlinks? How to evaluate backlinking sources? In the meantime, in my next video, I'll show you how to optimize your website images and make your web pages load fast. Stay tuned for that. Or better still, guys, subscribe to my channel so you don't miss it. While you're at it, if you like this video, hit the like button below. And if you'd like me to cover something specific, please leave me a comment. Bye for now, guys. Thanks for watching.